Welcome to Unit 6. In this unit we're going to continue talking about major scales. Now, you may have heard people talk about playing a piece in a key, or I'm in the key of A, or in the key of D. What that means is that if you're in the key of something, then you're taking notes that are mostly from that major scale. So for example, if you're in the key of A major, that means the piece that you're playing takes notes that are mostly derived from the scale of A major. If you're in the key of G major, then you're playing mostly notes that are from G major, etc., etc. Now, you may have noticed when you were working on your major scales that you had to make a lot of changes to the notes. Some of them are sharps, some of them are flats. And if you were playing a piece that was in a certain key, then you can imagine it might get annoying to continue writing these sharps and flats. Now, to alleviate that problem, what we use is called a key signature. And a key signature is this symbol up here that is between the clef and the time signature. What it does is that it tells you whenever you see this note, this accidental sharp is over the line F. Whenever you see the note F, then you don't just play an F natural, you actually play an F sharp. If in the key signature you had F sharp and C sharp, then whenever you saw an F or a C, you wouldn't play F or C, you would actually play F sharp or C sharp. Now, the important thing to realize is that it applies to all Fs throughout the entire piece, no matter where they are on the treble or the bass clef. For example, this sharp is over this specific line, but if you see an F here, this note would also be F sharp. If you see an F way down here, that would also be F sharp. And if you saw an F way up there, then that would also be F sharp. So even though it's only written on this specific line, it doesn't matter where it is. The second thing that you'll want to realize is that what if you actually do want to play an F natural? Well, to do that, then you would write a natural sign in front of the note. Okay. Now, if you do that, then the same rules apply to accidentals that you learned a few chapters ago. In other words, if you see this F natural, then we play E, then we go back to F. This is in the same measure, so this note is also F, natural, because you have the natural sign here. But remember, the bar line cancels the accidental. So, if we get over here, we play an E here, and then we have another F, then this is now F sharp because the accidental has been canceled. And if you wanted to play F natural, you would have to again write an F natural there. Okay. So, that's the basic use of key signatures. In the next lesson, we're going to talk about more specifically how they're incorporated and the guidelines that you use to write them.